Time to continue working on this third gen to get it one step closer to what we're actually trying to accomplish with this truck. What is up, loud and proud crowd? Hopefully you guys are doing absolutely spectacular today. Yes, I did finally get cleaned up. I was getting a little bit shaggy there. It was a month without a haircut. Not such a good thing to do. I wouldn't recommend doing it if you're trying to stay clean on video and stuff like that. It was getting pretty rough and out of shape. So anyways, we are back here with the third gen, the Silver Bullet giveaway truck. We are giving this truck away right now. This truck is up for grabs, and every $5 gets you 2 entries to win this truck until August 3rd, and then it's every $5 will get you just 1 entry, which is still a really good deal to win a truck. I don't know, you know, just a beautiful 114,000 mile 5907 third gen. All that being said, you guys are running out of time to get double entries, but let's get into what we're doing to this truck today. What we're actually going to be doing is installing some headlights from Spider. These are headlights that I saw on Amazon, and I was like, you know what? Yes, we buy a lot of parts through Amazon, and before anybody says, oh my gosh, Amazon parts, Amazon does not build any truck parts. All they do is ship them out. Other manufacturers send their stuff to Amazon fulfillment centers, and then they just ship it out. That's it. When people say Amazon parts, that's all it means, is that means Amazon ships them out to you guys. All that being said, here's a headlight we're going with, and I did go with the upgraded white bulbs in there. I believe this one's an HID and that one's an LED. I could be wrong, but I think that's what they said. Pretty excited to see how this goes on the truck. Just like the lines and like the texturing of, you know, like around the housing and just like the tactical look of it. I don't know why, I just love that look on trucks. Some people hate it, but I just love it. I eat it up. So now you guys know why, with that matte black / gloss black housing in there, why it's going to go good with the fender flares and the grille. And like I said, wheel and tire setup, it's coming soon, just stay tuned. It's going to look really freaking good and really neat. Should we change out the tow mirrors to a flat black version, kind of like what's on Mordecai, which by the way, the guy's going to come pick this truck up very soon within this next video or two here. You should see him picking up that truck. Should I go with that style 4th gen mirror, or should I keep the mirrors on there how they are? I kind of want to go with the black, and I'll tell you why. 4th gen mirrors, they're just a lot more stable on a truck. They don't vibrate and shake as much like the glass in them. I just hate that. It's annoying going down the road. I also just like the coloring with the fender flares, the grille, and the headlight housings, and the wheels and tires. I think it's just going to really tie together, because we're kind of going for that, obviously, as you can tell, silver and black look. It's just going to look really freaking beefy. So stay tuned. Anyways, let's get to dismantling one of these headlights so we can see how this is going to wire up. In terms of wiring, all we really have is to connect this. This should just hook up to where the normal light bulb for the high and low harness would hook up. We'll find out all those fine details once we get to removing one of these headlights. Of course, still far from done with this truck, but you can see the taillights here lit up. Okay, like I said, we were matching the headlights to the taillights so that they all go together. And then you got the headlights. And when the wheels and tires come in, man, it is just going to look so good, because those style that we went with all kind of tie together with this look. Super stoked for how this truck's going to turn out. And now we're going to work on the wifey's truck. Man, does that truck look freaking good right now. I mean, just the grill, the wheels and tires. She's got some new stuff she's doing today. This girl just has a thing for stance. How do you feel about what's going to happen today? I'm not going to film that in this video, and you don't have to tell them in this video. But just to give them a little like teaser.
A teaser?
Just a little teaser. On a scale of like 1 to transformed, what would you put on the scale?
Oh gosh, I don't know. A lot's happening today in the same day, so.
I know, she's got 3 videos she's filming and editing today, so she's got to do blank mod. Why'd your camera turn on?
It just automatically turns off.
Oh. She's got 3 different things she's doing today, and one of them is actually pretty intensive in terms of suspension work, but it's gonna be freaking sweet. It's gonna be really
it's
cool.
not gonna look like a stock truck very long.
Yeah, that's for sure. But in terms of the tires, what do you think about I think they're called RBPs, right? Am I right?
I like them. Yeah. They're a little noisy with the windows down, but with the windows up, they're not bad at all.
No, they're not bad. They are kind of vocal though. If I'm being honest, they do make quite a bit of noise.
But it is a smooth ride. It's not like Rosine, you know.
It's not like loud and annoying to drive. Yeah, no, for sure. I mean, it looks good. I was telling them, I said, guys, with the grill and the stance with the chrome wheels now, this truck already looks like a whole different beast, like a whole different level of just like cool. Like it went up a lot of notches quick. Oh man, I love this truck. It makes me want a 4th gen so bad because I'm like, I like trucks. I just want a bunch of trucks. Right. But man, super happy for you. And she's doing a lot of this stuff too, and she's got a lot going. She's been helping me out like crazy and doing her thing and trying to just take on a lot, and it's just couldn't be happier, and she couldn't deserve it anymore. I know this video wasn't necessarily the longest, but hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I'm gonna tie it up here because we've got a lot of stuff we have to get done today. Isn't that right, babe? That's right. That is right. We've got a lot to get done today, on her truck especially, so I gotta get to helping her out, getting it all done, and I have to edit 3 videos today, so I've got a lot going on. But thank you guys so much for all the love and support. Do not forget, you guys are running out of time to get double entries to win the Silver Bullet 3rd gen build. That truck, like I said, it looks kind of grandpa-ish now with just some lighting accessories, but it's got so much on the way. We've got wheels and tires on the way. We've got a bunch of power parts that are on the way. All that stuff is going to be showing up within the next week to 10 days. And it's just going to take a huge transformation. That truck's going to just be completely awesome. Getting a transmission build. I mean, just a whole bunch of stuff. So thank you guys so much for all the love and support. Get those double entries. You can't get double entries after August 3rd. That is coming up soon. Every $5 will get you 2 entries to win. Do not procrastinate. Get in on that deal while you can. Information in the description below. If you guys like those headlights, I'll try to leave a link for those down below as well. Thank you guys so much. Leave a like on this video. Comment down below. Subscribe if you're new. Join the team. Join the family. And I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.